Master AI, your step-by-step guide to harnessing its power. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech's Matrix. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics of our time, artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the way we live, work, and innovate. But here's the big question. How can you master it? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to harnessing AI's incredible power. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is AI? Well, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. Think of it as teaching computers to think, learn, and solve problems like us, but faster and more efficiently. From chatbots and self-driving cars to medical diagnostics, AI is already everywhere. But mastering it isn't just about understanding what it does, it's about learning how to use it in ways that matter to you. Let's start with why you should master AI. Here's the deal. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a tool that can supercharge your career, your business, and even your creativity. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just someone who loves tech, learning how to leverage AI can give you a huge competitive advantage. Imagine automating tasks, predicting trends, or creating smarter solutions to everyday problems. Sounds amazing, right? All right, now let's break this down step by step. Here's your ultimate guide to mastering AI. First things first, get to know the basics of it. This includes understanding concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. Don't worry if it sounds overwhelming. There are plenty of beginner-friendly resources out there, like online courses and YouTube tutorials. Start with the fundamentals, and you'll build a strong foundation. Next, dive into some hands-on tools. Tools like ChatGPT, TensorFlow, and IBM Watson are great places to start. These platforms allow you to experiment with AI, whether you're writing content, analyzing data, or even building your own chatbot. Pro tip, don't just read about AI, play with it. What do you want to achieve with AI? Whether it's improving your business operations, enhancing productivity, or solving a specific problem. Having clear goals will guide your learning journey. For example, if you're in marketing, AI can help you analyze customer behavior. If you're in healthcare, it can assist with diagnostics. Define your why to make your learning purposeful. Now, let's look at how AI is making waves in different industries. Healthcare AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, helping doctors detect diseases faster and with greater accuracy. Finance. From fraud detection to investment predictions, AI is a game changer. Retail. Ever wonder how Amazon recommends products you love? That's AI in action. It's time to get your hands dirty. Start working on small AI projects. For instance, try building a simple AI chatbot or creating an AI-powered spreadsheet to analyze data. You'll learn more by doing than by just watching. The world of AI is always evolving, so staying curious is key. Keep up with the latest trends, read articles, and join online communities where you can connect with other AI enthusiasts. The more you stay involved, the more opportunities you'll uncover. So, what's the bottom line? AI isn't just for tech experts, it's for anyone willing to learn and explore. By mastering AI, you're not just keeping up with the future, you're helping shape it. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey into it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech's Matrix, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the latest tech. And don't forget to share your AI experiences in the comments below. Let's build the future together. See you in the next video.